What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another unboxing. Today, as you can see by the title, this is a two unboxing review from George Kittle on the Nike app. I got his shirt and his hoodie on the Nike app when they released. Yeah, let's see how they look, because I know how the shirt looks like, but I want to see how the hoodie looks like. All right, so here's the shirt, and then here's the hoodie. Throw the box out of the way. So first up is the shirt. So here's the shirt. I got a size large. Retail price is $30. So basically, it has like the kind of like a Joker feel to it. I'll open up that later. And then here's the men's, the hoodie. I got it in a medium. Retail price is $65. I do wish this came in a black, though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't wear much white, let alone a white hoodie, because it's basically all white with the same design, just a little different. But let me open up these items for you guys real quick. Show you guys how it looks in the, all zoomed out and all laid out for you guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's the t-shirt. So here's the design here. You got the green splashes here for the eyes. You got the red smile, and then you got the Nike swoosh, with the teeth here. Look at that. Super dope. Kind of like a little Joker type of thing. You got the George under here, as you can see here. Let me get you a better look. Down here it says George Kittle on the back is in purple. Obviously, I showed you guys the retail price, but if I haven't, hold on. There it is. $30, and it says George here. Kind of has like a fading looking design here on the very bottom though of his name. It's just a simple black Nike. Here it is, Nike tee. And let me flip it around for you guys. Super dope though. I mean, if you missed out, sorry about that, but super dope tee. I'm pretty sure these sold out like in the same day. Then I thought they were gonna sell out instantly. The shirt did release back then, pretty sure like maybe a couple months ago, but the hoodie didn't, and this time they released with the shirt. But yeah, let's see. Kind of struggling here a little bit, so let me use both of my hands. All right, so at the very top right here, it has George Kittle's design and kind of like a highlighter, like a neon green right here. And you have the little purple Nike swoosh at the very top. And then right here, there's Kittle. It says George Kittle at the very bottom, like I told you guys, in purple. Very dope. Simple, kind of simple, but very dope, as it has his signature right here. I like the design too, so this will actually go with the some Jordan 1 mids that I have. They'll go really well with this tee. Now let me show you guys the hoodie real quick. All right, guys, now here's the hoodie. As you can see, it's all white, and that's pretty much it. And it has the same design as the t-shirt. So this time the green, obviously because I think it's white, right? The green, it's actually like a lime green now. It's like a neon green, very light green. And you got the same design with the teeth right here with the red Nike swoosh. So that's the front. As you can see, look, there's really not much on the design. Nothing on the sleeves. No Nike swoosh or anything like that, but it's mainly white. That's it. Then here's the retail price. And then let me flip it around. And basically on the back, it's the same thing, except, let's see. Oh no, yeah, it's the same thing. So it has this George Kittle's autograph here in the same color as the t-shirt, and the same Nike swoosh here in purple at the very top. So right below the hood, basically. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't have the doesn't have his name down here as the t-shirt does, which, I mean, they could have just threw it back here maybe, because since it's a hoodie, you know, it has the pouch here. You know, I think that's probably why they didn't want to throw it on there. And for $65, I mean, you know, I'm not gonna complain just because it's, I mean, it's George Kittle. You know, this could be like a limited type of drop. You know, like it may be, you know, maybe rare down the line, you know, but I got it because, you know, Kittle is obviously is a 49er. I feel like he's going to be one of the best tight ends in all of football once he calls it a career. But ultimately, you know, his designs, granted, they're kind of simple, but they're very dope to me. And that's why I got it. And plus obviously, he's George Kittle. He's a 49er. So I had to cop his merch. But yeah, I mean, I really do wish this hoodie was black, though. That's mainly like my only negative, my only con, I guess, if I were to choose one. Granted, this hoodie was $65. It was a little pricey, but like I said, this may be like the only time they released. I forgot exactly when did they release, but it's probably been like a week, maybe a week and a half. Well, since I'm uploading this video, so I don't know the exact date, but this one dropped with the t-shirt at the same time on the Nike app, so I got them both. Might as well, you know. But yeah, I mean, pretty dope merch. I do like the t-shirt more, I think just mainly because it's black and it stands out more, I feel like. There they are. And I mean, it has George Kittle right here underneath. Pretty dope nonetheless. But yeah. What are your guys' thoughts on these? I got the hoodie and the t-shirt. Did you guys end up getting both? Did you guys just get one? You know, what do you guys think? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you guys want to know the measurements or you know, things of that nature or something like that, I'll help you out in the comments. Just leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much it about this video. Little unboxing, little review. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Go Niners. Peace.